What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Also with JesseW, and today we're going to go over day trading recap. So, did you miss me? I've been gone for a few days, huh? No trading recaps. I did put up 2 videos while I was gone, but I had not put up any trading recaps. Why? Well, I was on a 5-day cruise with my wife, and we were enjoying some much-needed time off. And I did have my ear to the market, and we were attentive to our other businesses, but no trading since last week Thursday. Took off on Friday, went off on a nice little 5-day cruise. It's kind of short. We usually do longer cruises when we do a cruise, but we decided to take just 5 days on this one and enjoy some time off there. And we just got back today. Actually, we've been back, I don't know, got back like around 7 something in the morning, off the ship, bam bam bam, did some work, and I was literally just chilling, resting in bed. It is 2:21 p.m. and I decided to take a look at ABIO on my phone, and I took a trade. Not on my phone though, don't like those, but I did take a trade. I took a trade when we had ABIO make this big move here earlier today in the morning. Well, obviously I was nowhere near to be found, and this pullback and this huge U shape and bust over the day's high, which is right around that $9 area, on very nice increase in volume. I see here it was halted and then resumed higher, halted, resumed, and then it started to make this consolidation area. So when we were having this pullback, I said to myself, I gotta get to my system. I gotta bring up my platform and see if I can grab a test of a trade on this, on a test of this $9 area. So I ran to my computer, but when I ran to my computer, the stock had already bounced off of this 973 area and made a new high. Well, not a new high, but it attempted the new highs up here at 1139, and it was halted. When I got to my desk, and by the time I had everything up and running, it was already there halted, and I was definitely upset because I wanted to buy this thing down here as it was pulling back. So I'm expecting that I would have gotten filled somewhere in here just above $10, giving myself maybe $1 risk, and I would have added as we squeezed to a full-size position, so I would have taken a starter here. However, since I got to my desk as it was already halted, my new plan was watch for it to resume, and upon the resumption of the halt, watch for an $11 test. If we test $11 and bounce, gotta get in. I have to get in. That's what I said to myself. I have to get in, and I have to, look to take profit as we break over 12. So that is exactly what I did, and I do have that trade live for you. It was a real nice trade. I made 225 bucks. Very nice way to start the month and my welcoming back after, vacation. So as we pulled back in here and we popped off of it, I got long 500 shares. And as we started to push up into this $12 area, I started to get ready to take profit. Why did I want to take profit so soon? Well, number one, remember, I wanted to be in this down here at 10 bucks, right? So anywhere between this 970s to like 1040 area is where I wanted to get long, okay? So I wasn't about to be greedy, looking for this to go to $13, which it went to as high as $12.88 as of right now. I wasn't about to be greedy, right? Since I didn't catch this entry. I wasn't even at my desk. I was looking to scalp the washout after the halt. And I had already identified $12 to be an area, well, let me get another chart here, an area of past resistance. See if we can get this chart over here. Here we go. We have all these little areas here. You see these little areas here? 12, 17. Watch. Let me draw this line. Look. Bam, resistance. Bam, resistance. Bam, resistance. Bam, resistance, resistance. Nothing. Then, still we've never been able to break over that side. Look, we just broke over it today, and we're just all the way back down here at 11 bucks and change now. And it looks like it might have been halted on the way down. Let me get this out of the way so I can show you the actual trade itself. All right, so there we go. This is it. I am, let me see, make sure you can see everything. Okay, yeah, you can see. I'm in 500 shares at 11.56 cost basis. See, we had just opened up, tested 11, and bounced right off of it. My stop was obviously $11, right? It's going to be around that $11 area. And I'm not looking to add, I'm just looking to scalp a move over 12. Now, once I was in the stock, I noticed something, and maybe it's how it was trading all day long. I don't know. I've been gone all day long. So I noticed it was trading extremely slow. Like the movement on here was super sticky. You know, I was thinking I was going to capture $1 a share here. So I was thinking we were going to break over 12 and immediately go to like 12.50, right? Because it's a 1 million in float stock. Well, at least that's what I thought. I'm seeing here on Trade Ideas it's 154 million in float. I don't know. I had checked before I came over here and I saw 1 million in float on Yahoo Finance. Now I'm seeing here 154 million. Let me show you my Trade Ideas. Float 154 million. I'm sorry, 154,000. Sorry about that. And I had seen 1 million in float on Yahoo Finance before I got to my platform. So that's why I expected an extremely quick pop over $12. Once we start seeing how it's moving here so slow, I immediately took it off over 12 immediately. So see, you see how it's moving so like really slow? Usually when you get these things with this high volume and these low floats and they get halted on such a, you know, nice pop off of 10 bucks like this, you would see this thing just bam, like boom, like 12.50, get halted again, right? Open up at 13. That's usually what you see. So once I was in this and I see how it's moving so slowly and robotically, check it out. I took it off right there. Got filled at 12.02. Let me rewind this here for you. You can see I'm in there, 11.56. Current ask is 11.89, 11.79 on the bid. I'm up currently 140 bucks. I really didn't even know what I was up because I don't look at my unrealized P&L while I'm in the trade. And there I took it off. Bam. As soon as we broke over 12 bucks, I took it off because I didn't see that big push that you would expect from such a low float. And here, I'll fast forward it a little bit. You can see we made this nasty doji candle there, but it does continue to push. But look how slow. Look at this level 2. It's like no one is trading this. Yet we had 451,000 over that amount in volume on this candle alone. So I just found that weird. Maybe it was trading like this all day. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Was ABIO trading like this? Was the level 2 looking so sticky and this tape so slow all day long? I mean, had I known that's how it was trading, maybe I would have taken this trade differently. I would have taken 1,000 shares here and sold into that quick little push, or I would have held on a little bit longer and looked to have made more money. But I didn't like that movement, right? So I got out of the way. Nonetheless, you know, that's a real good win with 500 shares. You know, it's 225 bucks net after commissions. You can see my orders here. Buy 11.55 at, what is this, 2:07 p.m. What is this? About 16 seconds later, sold at 12:02 ABIO. So real happy with my welcoming back. Thank you, stock market, and excellent start to May. Let me know how you did on ABIO today. Let me know what you traded. I know JMI was making some noise as well. And I hope you had a great start to this May. Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded. Remember to subscribe and smash that like button. And I'll catch you on the next one.